Select New Item under the Item tab. Start off by keying in your item code that is a unique code you generate on your own. Then key in your item name and tag your item to its respective department. If you happen to have duplicate item codes, navigate to the Manage Item tab in the system. Use the search function to look up your existing items. For example, you might find an item with the code FISH001. Based on the existing codes, decide on a new, unique code for your item. If the current item is FISH001, you might choose FISH004 for the new item. Go back to the New Item tab and rename your item with the new code you have chosen. Next, determine if the item is eligible for discounts. If the item can receive discounts, ensure that Item Discount and Transaction Discount options are checked. If you have a situation where discounts should not be applied, for example, a high-value item, you can uncheck these options. If there is no service charge in your system, you don't need to adjust any settings related to service charges. There is an option to print the item on the bill even if its price is zero. For instance, if you offer a 100% discount on an item, it will still appear on the customer's bill when printed. This is useful for transparency and record keeping. Check if the item has any modifiers. Modifiers are additional options or customizations that can be applied to the item. For example, customers must choose either tomato sauce or cream sauce for their dish. This is a required modifier. To set this up, drag the tomato sauce and cream sauce options into the required modifier panel. This ensures that when the item is selected, the system will prompt the staff to choose between the two sauces. Optional modifiers are additional choices that the customer can opt to add to their dish. For instance, you might offer side dishes such as a baked potato or baked beans. These options can be added to an optional modifier panel. Customers can then choose to add these sides to their meal if they wish. This next section includes options for uploading your item images into our systems. Scroll down to the pricing section. For most items, the price is fixed. Some items may have variable prices, such as seasonal items. Hence, you can create a button under Open Price, so your staff will be prompted to key in the item's dollar value during ordering. Catch weight price is the option used for items sold by their weight, such as seafood. For example, if you are selling crab by kilograms, you might charge $5 per kilogram. Scroll down to the section for course firing and check the box labeled "This item has course firing." Select the sequence as 1 from the drop-down menu so that the item will be sent to the kitchen immediately once your staff presses the Fire button. Next, you have to assign the item to your respective outlets. Identify your outlet code and check the box next to it to assign your item. Once you're done, click on the Create button to finish creating your item. A prompt will appear confirming that your item has been successfully created. So, how do you tag this item to a category? Go to the Manage Register/Terminal page, then click on the pencil icon to edit the selected register or terminal. On this page, select the category you want to assign your item to. Click on Add Items on the right side and search for the item you want to add by typing its name in the search bar. Select the item and press Add. Once you're done, click on the Update button to save your changes. Make sure to sync your POS system afterwards so your item will show up on the POS.